Everything we desire is just a click away. However, the convenience that technology has created comes with a significant price. Due to complex and costly integrations, many corporations have been treating customers' data security as an afterthought, which is why today most users access web services via social logins. The problem is that these are all centralized services, which means they collect user data in large databases and are an easy target for hackers. So, does this mean that the wave of data breaches cannot be stopped? We don't think so. Fast forward to today. We see a growing interest in self-sovereign identity in every sector. As more and more organizations recognize the need to store and use customer data in a secure, ethical, and compliant manner. But we are still far from its adoption. Is there any way to bring SSI benefits closer to business and thus accelerate its use in real-life applications? Meet MyNextID, a one-stop solution for simple and easy SSI authentication. Here, the services get universal access to all SSI providers and no longer need to negotiate and integrate each technical SSI solution separately. The implementation is possible in 3 easy steps. First, the business selects an integration and configures critical parameters. This input gives us the necessary information to quickly provide them with the appropriate code and technical documentation needed to integrate SSI into their web service. As a result, in addition to the prevailing user authentication methods, the company can finally offer a suitable alternative to users concerned about privacy and security online. Moreover, MyNextID is built on the OpenID Connect protocol, an open standard authentication protocol for third-party authentication, bringing trust, time, and cost savings as a proven technology. To test MyNextID performance, we defined 3 interoperability tests. First, MyNextID acted as a relying partner so that various SSIs could test their user agents. We examined our own SSI, AceID User Agent, built on OpenID Connect protocol, and found out it works seamlessly. However, that was not the case with other SSIs from the eSSIF-Lab, as they have all built their solutions on emerging protocols. Soon, we will start the second test, in which web service providers will be able to integrate MyNextID Relying Party Suite. In the final test, MyNextID will work as a bridge. Only SSIs that passed the first test and business, which integrated the Relying Party Suite, will be able to run the test. All this gives us confidence that MyNextID can and will act as a missing link between SSI solution providers on the one hand and companies on the other. In a world where the relationship between the user and services is broken, SSI will become the business leeway into respecting customer privacy demands and regulatory requirements. We invite all interested parties to join us. Visit interop.mynext.id for more.